Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the basics are active: hardware buttons, mute switch off, and no Bluetooth audio connected. During a live call, press the volume up button to set the in-call level. This is distinct from ringtone volume. Once done, open settings to sounds and haptics and move the ringtone and alert slider to verify the phone responds. Doing this confirms the system recognizes your input and rules out simple physical or routing issues before deeper steps. Now you tackle software routing and processing. During a call, swipe to Control Center and explicitly choose iPhone or speaker under the audio output tile so sound is routed correctly. Next, enable phone noise cancellation in Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual to clean up muffling. This can change perceived loudness. If audio still feels wrong, restart the phone or reset network settings. Network glitches and corrupted call routing sometimes reduce volume. These steps fix routing and processing problems that simple volume presses cannot. Finish by addressing hardware and software maintenance. Carefully clean the earpiece grill with a soft brush and a short compressed air burst to remove debris that blocks sound. Minor blockage often reduces loudness. Then update iOS and carrier settings to ensure firmware or carrier fixes aren't missing. Make sure to test calls after each change. If volume remains low, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store so they can run diagnostic hardware tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.